Welcome to Creaitor.ai, the best AI writer to manage all your text issues. Choose the right AI assistant for you. Several templates are ready to use. Enter a short description of what you want to write about. Let the AI do the work for you and be surprised how good the results will be. Thousands of content writers, marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs choose Creaitor.ai to automate and simplify their content marketing. Try it now for free.
This is the home screen of Creaitor.ai, and on the left hand side you will be able to see a dashboard. So this is the main screen here. Okay, so also we have this editor option here. So this is the main editor here. So what we get in different AI writing tools. So this is the long form editor here. Then we have the documents here. So whatever projects you save, all the projects will be saved here. Then we have this AI assistant. Here you can see here Facebook ad titles, then ad text. So these are all AI assistants here. Okay, and this is the output section. So here you'll be able to see all the outputs from the AI which is generated. Then we have the translate. So if you wish to translate in any other language, you can just select that. There are like various languages here. So as you can see. So for this video, I'm just going to click on dashboard and I'll show you few options here. So I'll just select this one, blog. In the blog section you can see this is blog intro, blog body. Then we have the text summarizer. So blog body is similar to paragraph generator. So then we have this sports report, short story, blog outline, blog idea generator, blog conclusion. So this entire thing is completely for blog. Then we have this digital ads like Facebook ad title, Facebook ad text. Then we have this Google ad title, Bing ad, Pinterest ad title, Yandex ad title. So there are various options here. So in the e-commerce, you can see Amazon product description, Shopify product description. And in the social media, you can see photo post caption for Instagram. So this is for Pinterest. Then we have LinkedIn post, Facebook caption, personal bio. And in the video, you can see this YouTube video title. Then we have video description, video idea topics. And then we have this writer here, text summary, then content improve, creative story. So a lot of option in this AI. So for this video, I'm just going to select this one, blog. And we are just going to create an article using this tool. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the editor here. So this is the main editor here. So here, as you can see, you can select the creativity here. So I'll just select optimal here. Then you can also select the number of outputs here. So how many number of outputs you want. So I'll just select one here. Then you can adjust the tone of voice here. So whatever, like friendly, rude, witty. So I'll just select friendly here. And then if you want to add emojis, you can do that. And there are different languages also. So for this video, I'll just select English one. And we'll just start with the blog intro. So the title for this blog will be How to Lose Belly Fat. So this is going to be the title of this article. So I'll just hit the create button. So are you looking to lose belly fat? If so, there are a few things you can do. So this is the intro paragraph here. So next what we want is we want the outlines of this article. So just have to click here and just search for blog outline here. So our topic will remain the same. And if you wish to add any product or service, you can add the keyword here. So I'll just keep it as it is here and I'll click on create here. So here we have, so these are all the outlines here. So next what you have to do is, so these are all outlines here. So next what you have to do is we have to add paragraph here in this individual outline here. So what I'll do is I'll just select this one. So next we have to go to blog body here. I'll select this one and I'll just enter the topic here, why belly fat is a problem. So you can also mention the keyword here. Let's say belly fat. So if you need to include anything, any keyword, you can mention it here and I'll click on create here. So here is the result. You can see, you can just read this. So what I'll do is I'll just cut here and paste it here. So you can just adjust the text here accordingly. So I'll just reformat it here. So this one is done. So let's get to the next point here. So the different types of belly fat. So I'll again enter the keyword here, the different types of belly fat. Again, it's the keyword is belly fat only. So I'll just click on create. So there are different types of belly fat and each type has its own set of risks. So these are all the types of fat here. So again, I'll just cut it from here and I'll paste it in the second point here. The only thing is you need to just reformat it here. So I'll just reformat it here. So once this is done, just go to this third point here. I'll just mention the topic here, then keyword, then click on create. You can also adjust the number of outputs you want here. For this video, I have just kept single output here. So here's the result here for that point. So I'll just cut it here and I'll paste it under third point. So you just need to reformat it because it's not properly formatted here. Okay, so as of now I'll just keep it as it is. So I'll just get the conclusion here. So what you have to do is you have to just go to block conclusion here and just mention the title here, how to lose belly fat, and click on create here. So that's the conclusion here. So there we have it. So you can see within 5 minutes I was able to generate around 1000 words article. So in no time you'll be able to generate like 2000 words article in just 10 minutes. So if you want to go for a 5000 word article, so that will hardly take